Oh, good day there, boys. Or good evening. Oh, it's real late out. It's like fucking 10 o'clock or something like that. Everybody's going seepy. And I'm just getting to work here. I'm going to put these 2310s on the 61 original. I swapped out the fucking 612 Ags, even though these tires are awesome and kick ass. The other one has a gash in it, like, I don't know, about 3 inches in diameter. So, that's out of the question. But, I think I see a problem here. These tires aren't going to fit on here because of the mower deck. Well, wait a minute. If I switch them around, maybe? No, that's a big 10 no there, driver. So yeah, this I bet you it would. Well, these wheels come out with their fucking cotter pins, and I hate those. Well, you can see that they're narrow for a reason, because obviously they fit right in there like that. So yeah, I think am I filming this shit? Let me turn it just a little bit. So I'm going to go get my other tires. I'll be right back. Okay, so I think we're recording. Yep. I got some different tires. Found some in the back. These are, I bought these when I bought the tractor. The guy threw in a whole bunch of other tires, so I don't know why this side has been tire foamed and this one hasn't, but it's holding air, so I haven't seen it with this tire on in a long time. So I don't know how well you guys can see this, but yeah, I'm gonna repaint these. I think these might be these tires here might be for a wheel horse, actually. And there is some serious crustage in here, which I'm not liking too much. But these, like I said, I'm going to paint these tires, so, or the rims, not the tires, stupid. And I'll take some lacquer thinner to the rubber. And these are real tires, not the shitty fake ones. Holy shit. Forgot how much of a bitch this is to do. So, I'm going to have to fuck with it. I'm taking my keys off. I hope you guys can at least attempt to see some of the shit going on here. Oh, I'm gonna sit down. Let's see if we can get this tire lined up here. There's one bolt. Yep. It's too much of a angle there, bud. Friggin' idiot. There we go. I'll just snug it up a little bit. Just a little. And now we can spin our cigarette around here. Make sure it's centered down there. Put a bolt in the top. That's the only shitty thing about changing these tires. These rims and tires on these old tractors. They're a pain in the ass. But it's a lot better than doing it with lawn tractor rims. Because lawn tractor rims have ring and pinions, or whatever you call them. Not ring and pinions. Oh, what do you call them? Type of rims. The spline shaft, you gotta put the key in and all that garbage, which nobody has time for. Which, I mean, with these you can just zip, you know, find another 2310 tractor tire for it, or whatever, and away you go, right? So, oh yeah, no, that's not lined up, I don't like that. Fuck. I'll take that out again. Shouldn't snug them up until I'm ready to put them all in and tighten them up. I only got 6 minutes on my phone, so I better hurry this shit up here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that last video I just uploaded. With me running into a fucking composter with my fucking truck. Because that I won't be doing that anymore anytime soon, so... oh, I tell ya. Oopsie. God damn it. You friggin' idiot. It doesn't usually take me this long to put these tires on. Never ever. It's just I'm tired. Exhausted from work today. Okay. There's one. Oh, thanks. That's on my foot. Oh yeah, this tire's flat. There's a 61 Cub Original sitting on my foot. There we go. Well, it's not that flat, really. That's not bad. You guys see that? Sweet. Uh-oh. It's flat.